everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is for the beginners, and if you want to learn how to do hemming, so I'm going to describe two methods. One is a basic simple hemming method, how to do hemming with your sewing machine, and another method I'm going to show you if you want to do narrow hemming. For example, if you want to make a dress and the base of the dress is a satin fabric or something, like you cannot do wider fold and it does not look nice, so you can do narrow hemming. So we will learn simple hemming and narrow hemming. So before we dive into our video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and I would love to hear your comments, so you can share your project with me on Facebook group. I have a private Facebook group. I will add the link below, and I am working on the project of my course basically for the beginner, so everything will be in one place. And if you are new to sewing and if you want to learn how to sew, that course will be best for you. So in my beginner course, I am adding very interesting projects that will help you to learn sewing. If you are new to sewing, do some practice in a fun way and make some nice project I'm going to add in my course, beginner course. So keep watching. Possibly soon this week I will release the course. So let's dive into our video today. So now I am going to show you how to do hemming. So before starting hemming, I would like you to iron your fabric, and in such a way that you are folding your fabric about 0.5 centimeter first. Just fold your fabric 0.5 centimeter and then fold it again. How much hemming you want to do. In this way your fabric will be ready for hemming under sewing machine, and especially it is good when you have to do wider hemming. First of all, set up your sewing machine according to your sewing machine manual. Set up your sewing machine to the really basic stitch, and which is called straight stitch. In my sewing machine is number 00 and is really basic straight stitch. Machine you can make wider stitch 4, 5, it depend on your sewing machine, so must check the manual of your sewing machine, and then take a piece of fabric and follow my guideline. Now our fabric is ready. You can see there are two folds, 0.5 centimeter and larger fold, and now I'm going to simply take it under the sewing machine. So set your machine according to your machine manual for straight stitch, and lift the presser foot up, place a fabric down, and now start stitching. First of all, as I mentioned you, we will go few stitches and then go back, reverse stitch. In this way your fabric stitch will be stronger. Now slowly keep stitching straight on the folded edge of the fabric. Keep going straight as much as possible at the edge of the folded part. Now at the end, when you're finishing project, simply go back again, back stitch, few stitches, and then come in front. So our project will be ready. Then take out your fabric, lift the presser foot, and then our hemming is done. This is the front part and this is the back part. So any extra thread, just pull it out. So this is how it looks like. I'm using different color so you can see. Now for the narrow stitch, set up your sewing machine for zigzag stitch. In your machine it could be different button. By my machine I'm using J-Nomi. So in J-Nomi sewing machine, this is number 10. So it is a zigzag stitch. So what I will do, I will go ahead and in my digital machine I will choose the number 10. So this is a number 10 and my machine is ready to go for zigzag. So according to your machine, set up your machine to the zigzag stitch for this type of hemming. So after finishing our zigzag stitch, lift up the presser foot, take our project out, and now this is how it looks like. Our edges are hemmed, and what we are going to do, because we are, for example, we are making a dress, then simply we will fold our fabric, and then we will set up our machine again for straight stitch. Lift up your presser foot and close to your zigzag stitch, start doing straight stitch. So narrow as possible you can do in this way. In this way your dress or narrow hem will be so nice and clean. So you can use this narrow hem for any dresses or for anywhere you want to do narrow hem. So when our straight stitch finish, take your project out and we are ready to go. So this is how it looks like from the back. You can see it's really narrow and neat stitching. So you can use this for any narrow hemming project. So you must do practice, 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 practice makes perfect. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and keep looking for my course. I will release soon this week. And yeah, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.